Hi everyone. Today let's talk about a very common ingredient we have in the house and which has ultimate results. Like it's ultimate for manifestation. It's amazing, it's magical. So today I'm going to talk about bay leaves, tej patta. So there are many different variations to how you use a bay leaf. It can be used for n number of manifestation, literally. So bay leaf can be used. You can use a bay leaf, you can take a bay leaf with a black marker. You can just write your wish. So any wish you can write. So if you're asking for money, you can say money. You can just write your name on the top. You can make money symbols. You can write the amount of money you intend to get, and you have to just burn it. You have to burn. I personally burn it in an ebony bowl, but now in the lockdown that's not going to be really available. So you can burn it in any bowl, and then you can collect the ashes. You have to take those ashes to the balcony or in an open area, and you have to just blow it. So by blowing it, you're giving the universe the message that this wish is granted. Now the second thing, you can even keep the bay leaf in your wallet. So if you want to attract love, if you want to attract attention, if there's any guilt you have, if it is happiness, if it is anything, you can just write it and you can keep it in your wallet. So when the wish comes true, you can burn it, or you can even write the same thing, whatever your intention is, and keep it under your pillow, and early morning you can burn it. The third thing is that if you do it, because bay leaf thing आप कभी भी कर सकते हो, but it is highly suggestible if you do it on a Thursday, because Thursday is a day of Jupiter and Jupiter resonates with money. So if you do it on a Thursday and specifically aiming at the money matters, it works magic, like pure magic. You can even make the Jupiter sign. You can Google it and you can just make a Jupiter sign on the bay leaf and write the amount or whatever intention you have, and you can do whatever suits you and whatever your mind tells you that you have to burn it, you have to write it, you have to keep it under the pillow. You can do whatever your thing says, and then you can do it, and it's gonna get amazing and blissful results. God bless you.